No mai anō, welcome back. I know I keep saying it, but it is chilly. And in case you wanted to know the reason why it's so cold, it is thanks to the air that's coming up towards us from the south. Now that cold air will continue to sit over us along with a ridge of high pressure, which means very little change to the air mass, which in turn means more cold nights ahead. So plenty of frosty starts across the South Island, but also plenty of sun to go around, plus a bit of fog that'll make itself known at both ends of the day, affect eastern parts of the north, making it one of the only spots really to see cloud and wet stuff. Affect eastern parts of the north, making it one of the only spots really to see cloud and wet stuff, with most here in for a good Wednesday. There is still the chance though of the odd shower in Whangarei. Otherwise, Wednesday's looking fine and frosty for all, with southeasters up top here, southerlies though for those south of Auckland. There'll be morning and evening frosts for Tokoroa and Taupō, but it is fine days across the board. Southeasters for Tokoroa, southerly winds for everyone else. Now, similar to today, it is looking less sunny, more cloudy for those out east, with the odd shower in the afternoon for Hawke's Bay and Gisborne. 0 degrees for you, Masterton, which of course means morning frosts, south and southwesterly winds. There's more fine and frosty stuff for the rest of the North Island, with another chilly start in Taumarunui. Check that out, and a mix of east, south and southeasterly winds, which all should ease for a time in the afternoon. If we look at the South Island now, in Reefton, you should be fog free tomorrow, with everyone here in for another round of frosty starts and fine days. Always nice. Light winds about this way as well. And it's looking exactly the same on the other side of the island too, with frost and or fog in the morning for those right at the bottom. There'll be light winds here as well. Morning fog and frosts for all bar you, Oban. The frost could also be severe, by the way, otherwise fine days all round with light winds, and the fog and frosts return at night for Queenstown and Alexandra. So Dunedin, some morning fog or frosts for you tomorrow, otherwise a fine day with a high of 12 degrees. And it's the same for you but colder Christchurch, morning fog or frosts with a chilly -3 start, warming up to just 10 degrees. There will be fine spells for you in Wellington with cloudier periods around the south coast. Your southerlies will turn easterly at night. And in Hawke's Bay there will be cloud increasing in the morning with the odd shower then from afternoon, and you'll have southwesterly winds. 2 words for you, Tauranga, fine and southerlies. That's your headline for Wednesday. 16 degrees will be your high. Now Hamilton, you're also looking fine with southerlies tomorrow, along with morning and evening frosts as well. And in Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland, it'll be another chilly start with frost in sheltered places and southeasterly winds. Now Perth is in for some midweek thunderstorms, with showers once again dominating along Aussie's coastline, and Fiji is also in for thunderstorms tomorrow. And look, it's about time to be fair after all the sun it's been teasing us with these last few weeks. Now that ridge of high pressure, as I mentioned, that's over us right now, it is going to continue calling the country home for the rest of the week. And once we hit Friday, it will move east of the North Island, with a complex trough approaching the west of the country from the Tasman Sea. So some low pressure making its way towards us, which most likely means some showers and possibly even thunderstorms, but it's not looking like they'll have any impact till about Saturday at this stage. Now a big thank you to Colin for sending in a picture of what he's referred to as a surprisingly pretty looking Hutt River. I'm sure the Hutt Rivers look pretty many a time though.
Exactly. Too harsh on the Hutt River. Thanks so much, Imogen.